Hi guys, I'm back with a new video. I'm going to install this wig that I just got from Wiggins hair. So let me kind of show you guys. I'll take the wig off and show you guys kind of like the inside cap. This is actually straight out of the box, so it already kind of comes curled. I have not cut the lace yet. I'm gonna cut the lace on camera for y'all, which I normally don't like doing, but I'll do it for you guys because, and I'll try it on. And again, this is fresh out of the box. My tools in here, and I can't really plug them in, so I'll probably end up doing the styling part in there. But let's go in the bathroom, make sure we get everything together, customize it, and all that good stuff. This is 180% density, I'm pretty sure. This is 24 inches, and it's their highlighted brown unit with blonde highlights. So let's make this look natural. Okay, so we're gonna do the install for this unit from Wiggins hair. I'm gonna cut the lace for you guys on camera, so let's go ahead and pin this back. Push the hairline back. I don't know if this is like way too close, and also I need to, yeah, this is perfect. Okay, so this is kind of going like past my ear, and I don't want that. So here we go. It's actually looking pretty seamless. I think they did such a great job on that. I love it. I'm gonna cut the rest of it off camera, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get into the install. I'm not gonna do an elastic band. This already has one in it, so I'm gonna just try to make sure that I use the wig spray. And also I need to kind of cut some of the hair off so that it can go behind my ears. I think I'm outdoing myself with this one. Afterwards, you're so good, dude. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the specs of this hair. Like, it is absolutely so realistic. I'm really surprised about how like the lace is just so, like the lace just really melts into the skin. The way that they plucked this hair is immaculate. They did such a great job. But let's go ahead and check on this. Okay, so this is their 24-inch 4/613 body wave 13x4 lace frontal wig, and I'm gonna kind of go into the specs as far as how much it costs and everything, and maybe with the density. So 24 inches, 13x4 HD lace. The total of this wig is going to be $406.16. So this is kind of like regular price, I would say, and you can also do this in Afterpay. So you can also do it with Afterpay and pay it with like 4 different payments of like $101.54. I think the density is, let's get into the density. I'm pretty sure the density is 180%, or around 200, but it's very, very thick hair. And it's super long, like it literally goes like past my waist, kind of to my hips. I mean, this is how the hair looks from the side. You can tuck it behind your ear. It just looks beautiful. Also too, there's minimal shedding. Like this hair doesn't have any, I haven't had any hair just kind of come out. It's very, very soft. I can just run my fingers through it, and the highlights are absolutely beautiful. And again, this hair already comes pre-curled. You're good to go. Everything lays really flat. I have really nothing bad to say about this unit. It's one of my favorites, and I think that it was so easy for me to go ahead and install it. It literally took me 15 minutes, and I actually timed it, so it didn't take long at all. But I'm gonna go ahead and put the link to this unit down below in the description box, so y'all can go ahead and check them out. Again, this is from Wiggins Hair, and before I go, I'll let you know what they sent me. So they sent me lashes, they sent me just a little like bandana to kind of tie around my hair. They sent me a edge control brush, and also wig caps, HE wig caps. And they also have the Wiggins Hair bag. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig link down below. Be sure to go ahead and check them out, and I will talk to you guys later.